Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I just wanted to show you a fun movement drill that I like to do with a sandbag that helps you learn how to move your body against gravity. All we're doing is get downs, because you got to get down to get up. Thank you, George Michaels. So you shoulder a sandbag, and then you lie down on the floor. Don't drop your baby. Treat it like a baby that you don't want to drop until you get to the floor and you throw it down, hop up as fast as you can, treat the floor like it's hot, and then you find another way to get down. Don't drop your baby. Get rid of the baby. Hop back up, grab your sandbag, and it's amazing. Just doing this for 10 minutes or so. Well, you'll know you've done it. But you just switch from side to side. I mean, you can stay on the same side for a while if you wanted to. And then you find all the ways you can get back up quickly to shoulder the bag and get back down. Again, I think this is just a fun way to play and explore. This is really an anti-aging drill because the better you can get down and up from the ground, the better off you are. Anyway, kids, that is our tip for this week. Getting down to get up with a sandbag and treating the floor like it's hot. Anyway, give that a shot. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.